Let's talk about a backpack that's been around long enough to have its own mythology. This is the Fjällräven Kånken No. 2. The brand name is Swedish for the Arctic Fox, which already tells you something about where these people are coming from. Not an LA boardroom, but a basement workshop in northern Sweden where a man named Åke Norden founded the company in 1960 with a very practical goal of making gear tough enough to survive the Scandinavian wilderness. Not exactly a low bar. Now, the Konken itself came along in 1978, and here's a detail I genuinely love. It wasn't designed to be cool. It was designed because Swedish school children were developing back problems from carrying their books in bags that hung off one shoulder. A study flagged in, and Fjällräven responded by designing a flat-backed, ergonomic backpack that distributed weight properly and gave it long shoulder straps that could be worn high on the back, the way a backpack is actually supposed to sit. In its first year, they sold 400 of them. The following year, 30,000. It's never really stopped selling since. Over 3 million units by 2008 alone, and of course, still going strong. So it's not a trend, it's a product that works. So what's different about this version? The number 2 black for laptops? Well, the standard Konken is made from Nylon F, a lightweight, water-resistant, wipe-clean synthetic that's practically indestructible. The number 2 steps it up with G1000 heavy-duty fabric, which is Fjällräven's signature material, a dense weave of recycled polyester and organic cotton, treated with Greenland wax, a proprietary blend of beeswax and paraffin that Norden himself developed in the 1960s by adapting a fabric originally meant for tents. It's wind-resistant, water-resistant, extremely durable, and importantly, it's repairable and rewaxable. You can maintain this bag at home by yourself, and it will last for years, decades potentially. That's Scandinavian design philosophy in a nutshell. Build it to last, not to be replaced. And in this particular case, there's all the black. Full all over black. Body, straps, handles, hardware. No contrast color on the logo, no bright accents, just clean, monochrome, slightly stealth mode black. Of course, you can get other models. This is the one that I like. The leather trim on the handles and detailing elevates it just enough. It's subtle, but you'll notice it. This is a bag that reads as put together without trying too hard. It works with a suit, works with jeans and a t-shirt, looks just right in an airport, in a classroom, in a coffee shop, and apparently, based on its origins, hiking through a Swedish forest. So let's talk about what's actually inside and on it. You've got a generous main compartment with a wide zip opening, easy to pack, easy to dig around in. There's a front zip pocket for things you need quickly, 2 side pockets for a water bottle or an umbrella, and inside there's a padded seat pad, which doubles as a back cushioning, a nod to that ergonomic intention, and you can pop it out if you want to sit on it. This back cushioning sounds like an odd feature until you're waiting for a delayed train and every bench is taken. There's also a small, business card holder inside, a nice touch, and you can use it just to put your name and contact information on in case you lose the bag. I guess the practicality of that depends on where you live. The shoulder straps are textile, but mine are padded for that laptop and heavier loads. Long, adjustable, and comfortable for extended wear. The top handles are leather, and the whole thing is produced without PFAS, no forever chemicals, which matters if you care about what you're buying and where it ends up. This is the laptop version, so yep, you've got the extra padding as I mentioned in the straps, as well as a padded computer compartment that holds my 15-inch MacBook Pro laptop. That's one of the reasons I got this. My only minus point with this bag, well, it's a little casual for some of my needs. For more formal use cases, though, I probably wouldn't be using a backpack anyway. The full price point puts it firmly in the premium casual bag category, I think. But unlike a lot of bags at this price point, you're genuinely paying for craft, materials, and longevity rather than just the logo. Fjällräven backs that up with real history. This is a brand that's been dressing polar expeditions and straightening school children's backs since before most of us were born. The Konken No. 2 Black. Simple, Swedish, and built to outlast your current smartphone by about 15 years. Recommend.